Okay, now we will unallocate all payments and we will generate this output again. Now you can see there are few invoices, plus amounts and minus amounts. Now initially when we generate this report, it has only 2 transactions. Now we have unallocated all transactions from that supplier. Now it will display all transactions. Okay. If you want to again allocate this transaction, you can allocate. Okay, you can drag and drop, then system will allocate this payment to invoices. Okay, after okay, is it clear? If you have any questions, you can ask. Okay, now normal process is now when we are doing that, first we enter the supply invoice, later we will enter the supplier payment. Now sometimes we will pay advance amount, then later we will enter the invoice. In that case, we have when we are entering advance payment, we cannot select or we cannot allocate payment. Therefore, we will use this supplier allocations. From supplier allocation, we can allocate unsettled payments to invoices. Then system will allocate particular payment to a particular invoice. Okay, from allocating this transaction, unsettled transaction, we can generate accurate reports from the system. Okay, now if we haven't allocate, it will display all transactions. Then it will display all transactions standing. Therefore, it's better to allocate if you haven't allocate any payment to a supplier invoice. Okay, and there are few options. First one is show outstanding only. If you take this option, system will display only outstanding invoices. And there are 3 other options, display options. First one, all invoices. If you select this option, system will display all invoices. And if you select invoices between, and you can define a date range, and system will display invoices from this range. And third option is specific invoice number. You can enter specific number here and you can search. And also there's another option, split unallocated item amount. If you tick this option, you can specify a particular payment to which invoices you are going to split. Okay, after you allocate these payments, you can save. Then those transactions line will not display in this outstanding report. Okay, now you can enter, you can try these allocations. First, if you haven't few transaction or 3-4 transaction in your system, you can enter few invoices and you can enter few supply payments. Then you can check these allocation reports, allocations, and you can generate this supply outstanding report. Okay, you can check this split allocations also, and you can check this display options. Okay, you can take 15 minutes, and if you haven't entered any transaction to supplier payments or supplier invoices, you can enter few transactions and you can check this allocation. If you have any questions, you can ask.